Welcome to MISPA Online Support. Dear students, we will discuss several topics of the syllabus on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel for further videos. Thank you.
Hello class, welcome to the online learning support. In our last class, we solved some exercises that help us to understand stepwise working system. Also, we discussed the differences between computer and human, such as computers can work faster than humans. Computers run on electricity, whereas humans do not need electricity. Computers cannot take decisions on their own, whereas humans can take their own decision. Computers can store lots of information, whereas humans may forget things and humans can make mistakes. These were discussed in our previous class. Today, we will learn working of a computer and benefits of a computer. Are you ready? Okay, turn to page 4. Working of a computer. A computer cannot work on its own. We need to give input and instructions to it to make it work. It works according to these instructions and gives output. Thus, a computer takes input, processes it, and then gives the output. This is known as the input process output cycle. In short, IPO cycle. Look at the picture. This example will help you to understand the IPO cycle. There are 3 steps in the figure. Step 1, you can see some ingredients of a cake, that is input. Step 2, a cake being baked in the oven, that is process. And step 3, you can see a delicious cake, that is output. What is your favorite cake? My favorite cake is Black Forest. Let us understand how the input process output cycle works for computers. Input. The computer gets the input in the form of data and instructions. The input devices such as a keyboard or mouse provide inputs to the computer. Process. The entire data is processed or changed into meaningful information by CPU, Central Processing Unit. Next, output. The result of processing is known as output. The output is displayed through the output devices such as monitor or printer. The following diagram summarizes the working of a computer system in relation to IPO cycle. Whatever we type on the keyboard, processing takes place in the CPU, the brain of the computer, and it displays the result. For example, while typing 2 plus 3 on the keyboard, addition of the 2 numbers is done inside the CPU and it displays the result 5 on the monitor. So class, we have understood that a computer works on the input process output cycle. In short, IPO is the working system of a computer. There are 2 questions that you have to do by yourself. All the best. Now, we will learn benefits of a computer. Number 1, speed. Computer works at a very high speed. Number 2, storage. Computer can store a large amount of data. Number 3, automation. Computers help in the automation of the steps that have to be performed again and again. They allow us to control the machine. Number 4, calculation. Computers can do complex calculations easily. They never get tired and give correct results. Number 5, presentations and animations. We can create interesting presentations and animations using computers. Teachers use computers to teach students in an interesting and fun manner. 6, communication. Computers help in communication. We can stay in touch with friends and family. And last, entertainment. Computer is a good source of entertainment. We can watch movies and listen to music. we can also play games on the computer. There are some drawbacks of using computers, and they are as follows. Health. Working on computers for long hours may cause pain in the eyes and body. Number 2. No thinking power. Computers do not have thinking power of their own. They work according to the instruction given by us. Number 3. Need electricity. Computers need electricity to work. They cannot work without power supply. Number 4. Cyber attack. Computers are used in offices, banks and shops. Some people try to steal important information or spoil the work of others. This is called cyber attack. And last, virus. Some people make harmful computer programs called virus. Our computers do not work properly if we accidentally use these harmful computer programs.